Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can fix the Roblox not launching or Roblox crashing directly after launching issue on Windows 11. First, press your Windows key and search for installed apps, and you will see this. Click on this, and here in search apps type Roblox. Now you will see these two things. Just click on these three dots here and click on uninstall, and this will uninstall Roblox. Now do the same for Roblox Studio. Uninstall this too. And after this has been uninstalled, we will delete every file related to Roblox in our system. So once this is done, go to your C drive, go inside users, go inside your current user, scroll down and you will see app data. Now this app data is a hidden folder. So if you do not see this, click on view, hover over show, and then click on hidden items and you will see app data. Go inside app data, go inside local and scroll down till you see Roblox. Once everything has been deleted or uninstalled, you can delete this folder too, so that all the temporary files are also deleted. Once you have done this, go to this URL, click the link in the description and you will be taken here. Click on download Windows app. Once this has been downloaded, click on open file and Roblox will install again. So this is a fresh installation. After the installation, you will have to log in again and you will be able to use Roblox. Let's wait and see if we can open Roblox now. So Roblox is now open. You can sign in and play games as you want. If you're still having issues, let me know in the comments below.